Dalawang sunod na panalo na ang naitala ng Phoenix Fuel Masters sa simula ng 2026 PBA Commissioner's Cup matapos talunin ang Titan Ultra 109-76 sa Inares Sports Center, Montalban, Rizal nitong linggo. Wala man si Jason Perkins at Tyler Teo, ngunit napatunayan ng Phoenix ang kanilang dominasyon sa laro. Sa pagpasok ng ika-4 na quarter, nag-breakaway ang Fuel Masters sa isang 16-2 run na pinangunahan ni Ivan Nelly na nagpasok ng tatlong 4-pointers. Nag-ambag si Nelly ng 14 points, 8 assists, 3 rebounds at 3 steals. Ang pinakamataas naman na score na itala ni Richie Rivero na may 18 points at 9 rebounds. Habang nag-ambag naman ng 17 points at 17 rebounds ang kanilang import na si James Dickey III.
We're happy that we were able to go and get the back-to-back wins this weekend. Of course, unfortunately, some guys got hurt, like si Kai's hurt, Tyler's hurt, Perkins is still hurt. So just trying to manage that, but we're happy to be where we are right now at 2-0, and we're just thankful to the Lord for our win. Still somewhat unexpected because we were able to upset Magnolia. So we're just thankful that we're 2-0, but I believe in this team. I really believe in the players that we have, and I think we can compete with every team naman, at least give ourselves a chance to win every game. Yun lang naman ang hinihingi namin.
Ayon pa kay Coach Charles, tiwala ito sa ipinakita ng kanyang manlalaro para sa kanilang ikalawang sunod na panalo. Samantala, winless pa rin ng Titan na ang tanging double-digit scorer ay si Earl Gilmore na may 27 points at 20 rebounds.
We're trying to build this, they can kind of police themselves. They took the challenge upon themselves. They stepped up. Richie, Evan made some big shots. They're able to weather the storm, and that's how we want to play naman. We don't want to panic. We said from day one, it's not going to be perfect. We will face challenges as a team. It's important how we respond, and they responded well. So all credit goes to the players.
Sa ikalawang laro naman, sumiklab din ang NLEX Road Warriors sa ikalawang panalo, 112-105 laban sa Magnolia Hotshots matapos mabuta ang 13 points deficit sa unang hapon. Nanguna sa 24 points at 11 rebounds si Caddy Lane, habang si Shawnee Winston ang nag-sink ng dagger triple sa huling 47 seconds para sa panalo na may 14 points, 6 rebounds at 6 assists. Nagambag naman si Robert Bolick na may 14 points, 5 rebounds at 5 assists. Nag-step up si LJ Gonzalez bilang best player of the game na may 13 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Ayon kay NLEX head coach Jong Owichiko, maituturing nila itong malaking comeback para sa koponan.
It was a great comeback by NLEX, by us in the end of the first half. Para nakabalik kami sa laro. So maganda yung intensity na pinakita kasi ang bigat talaga kalaban yung Magnolia, lalaki. Tsaka maganda yung sistema nila. So, especially na coming into this game, we only had 1 day of preparation.
Samantala sa panig ng Magnolia, si Nuni Omot ang pinakamataas na may 32 points at 9 rebounds, habang si Jerome Lastimosa nakapagtala ng 23 points. Susubukan ng Hotshots na makuha ang unang panalo sa linggo kontra Blackwater Bossing sa Inares Center, Antipolo. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Wow! Still early in the fourth.